Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Johnny Datsun. Check this out. Gene is getting ready my heater coil for my 510 wagon. He's doing the first one, and then he's going to be doing this one. This is the way it looks. Let me show you guys around. This is the way she looks. Factory. Now I'm going to show you guys the way he's working. What's up, G?
Hey, what's up, Pops?
You know, this is the way he did it. He sandblasted everything to bare metal, cleaned it out, primed it, and painted. Check it out, guys. This is coming out beautiful. I haven't made any videos of my Datsuns for the reason that I've been busy doing construction. As you guys can see, I did the whole roof there. I had to knock all the old one out and made a new one. So I was kind of busy. So this week, Monday, I start back with my 510, the white one, and I start working with this one, with the blue one. But for now, I'm just showing you guys what Mean Gene is doing. You can go to his channel, Mean Gene. He's gonna be putting videos soon, and you're gonna see some other stuff. And also, he's gonna be working on his car too. He's got a nice car.
Yes,
so he'll talk about it on his videos, but as of now, he's giving me a help with my project. So this is what is this?
the heater core.
The heater coil looks good. So so he took mostly everything apart, and again, this is going to be for the 71 Datsun wagon. And he bought that. That's for his Mazda right there. What is that? That's for that's the one you got, right?
Yeah, that's for the Mazda B2000.
He just sandblasted that too. So, and this is all his little equipment he's using. Check this out. You want to put this? Yeah, look at the way this is looking. He's polishing the outside face, and it's going to be seen on the front near the motor compartment there. There's all his little equipment over here. Got my Shepherd there. But he's taking care of business here. He's going to be cleaning this too. This is the heater, the heater coil, right? This is like the heater. What do you call these things?
I forgot what that's called. It's like a resistor.
Yeah.
Some kind of heater coil.
Yep. This is going to be. Everything looks good.
Yeah.
There you go. We got a little plumbing over here.
Not too much. Not hard.
It could be all cleaned out nice, and you can have a nice heater on this 510 wagon. He's got all the clips. But looking good, Mr. G.
Yeah.
And he already primed this section right here. This is the cover, which it looks nice. It's incredible. Look at the way it comes out of the car. You can never see it. People don't realize that through the years, this is how it looks, and this is how it looks right now. Amazing. You know, me and Gene is getting very busy with all this.
Definitely.
Look, I got 2 hands, and I got 2 extra hands. All right, guys, there you go. Beautiful day today, and projects that we got to take care, and this that we got to take care for the 510 72. Enjoy the video to the next one. Ciao.